Good evening, teacher, and all of my beloved classmates. My name is Thon Ratha. Today, I stand here to presentation one topic that related to the best trip I have ever taken. In Cambodia, surrounded by history, ancient temple, and golden field. Some of Cambodia's greatest beauty isn't found in the city, but we can find greatest beauty with the nature if we connect our body with it. So the place I raise up to speak is the mountain, because the mountain is the place that I can heal when my life is hurt, and this mountain named Boko Mountain. That's what I heard from Cambodia people say. But the full name of this mountain is Preh Mani Wong Boko Natural Park. Boko Mountain, the most well-known and beautiful mountain in Cambodia, is situated in Kampot. This mountain is known for cold weather, beautiful nature, and breathtaking view. And actually, that make me like this mountain because of the weather. The temperature here, is slowly drop, and the clouds begin to flow around my body. That make me feel completely different from the lowland below. And not only that, when I went to the top of the mountain, when I went to the top of the mountain, I can explore the natural beauty and history including of the famous Boko Hotel, famous Boko Palace Hotel built from French colonial period. And especially I have saw Lok Yai Mao statue is standing proudly against the sky and a lot of ancient churches that still told the story of the past. And I can also see incredible view of the forest, the sea, and even indeed of islands on a clear day. By the way, the Boko Mountain remains one of Cambodia's most beautiful and meaningful places to experience. Thank you.